Hello, sometimes you just need a bunch of donuts. So that's what we're doing. And it's been 70,000 days. It's been a long time. My last time was a video. It happens. So more than a year, maybe a year and a half, maybe more. Anyway, we're making it up for sure. A dozen donuts. We have 8 thingies. What do you call these? Sugary donuts. And 4 of the powdered variety, which is still sugar. It's all sugar. Everything is sugar now. A little bit of coffee there. Let's start donuing it up. This one is kind of falling apart, so yeah. I did put them in the oven for a bit, and this one's a little crispy on some parts. Mm-hmm. That's donut one. I'll go for one of these. I do prefer these ones usually, because the powdered one has just too much powder, though these ones aren't too bad when you compare. But yeah, it's actually crispy on the outside, but still nice on the inside. So it's different. It's cool, because I'm not used to that. But I guess technically I left it a little too long, but it's actually crispy. Maybe that's kind of what they taste like a couple of minutes after being originally fried. Let's go for another one of these. See, this one is more soft. And these are nice golden ones. You know, they're golden. Sugar wise, some have more than others. But this was like a they do box deals sometimes, which is cool now. Is some of them have like variety packs more and more. I've seen this with strudels as well and muffins. Because sometimes I want to make a video, right? And I'm like, triple flavor. I've done like muffins in the past with a bunch of flavors. But usually, it's like 1 pack of blueberry, 1 pack of chocolate, 1 pack of double chocolate. And I gotta buy 3 packs to make one video. But variety packs, boom, you get everything you need. I hope they do more, because as many sweets as you see me eat, I pretty much only eat them on camera. Oh, one of the first videos I made was a Oreo tasting test. I had like 5, maybe. Let's say 5 different flavors of Oreos, which means I bought 5 boxes that I didn't feel like finishing. I gave some of them away because I'm only eating like 3-4 cookies each to taste test the different, you know, kinds. But there's a bunch left. A variety pack would have sold that. So phone your local prime minister, tell him to make a law. Variety packs. Slightly crispy in some parts, donuts video. And coffee is best, especially when you get a bunch of these. And these are like, I don't know if there's a name for those. You see the color inside and how golden they are. They're pretty solid. Oh, I did a challenge as well. One of the first videos was the smaller, like powdered, how many I could eat in a minute. Impossible. It gets so dry. It was crazy. So a hot beverage really helps. Better than milk, although I do love milk. But with this many, helps it ease, you know, it's better. Which one? Let's do this one. I have a nice little pattern here. Half of them soft, half of them a little crispy. And these are made in-house at like the gourmet section of the local grocery store. One of our grocery stores has like a little upscale thingy. They do some meals. They have daily soups, and all the old people near the mall get their soup. Well, more people now. It's cold, but mostly that's how it is. Old people love soup. When I'm old, I'm gonna soup it up, statistically. Let's go with this. See the sugar distribution? That's different. I like it. They got a like more, I don't know, rustic fried feel. Not too sweet, not overly powdered, especially the white ones. There you go, one donut for every month that I haven't had one. And if you're trying to be a little fancier, instead of like just warming them up in the microwave like I usually do, put them in the oven, maybe just 5 minutes, not 10, but still, it's a nice little outer crust on some of them. These types of donuts again, like the regular, bigger, fluffier ones, I don't think they would really get a little crispy. They would just be super hot and still crumble. These ones are thick. If you're seeing inside, these are some thick boys. Donut time is over. But yeah, I got my donuts worth. I hope you enjoyed a donut sugary snack. And I'll see you tomorrow with something maybe not healthy, but maybe not as sugary and dense as this, for sure. Stay tuned. Bye.